In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a VVT solenoid on a Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter located in the cylinder head. So take your engine cover off, and it's actually held in by plastic pins that go into rubber grommets, so you just give it a good pull up and then pull it away. So you can see the negative cable on this has a different terminal end. The factory one would be a 10 millimeter. It actually would probably look a lot like the positive. It's a 10 millimeter socket or wrench. And this is aftermarket, so it's like they call it universal. And usually it's a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter. And I've got a 13 here, and I'm going to loosen that negative nut on the terminal end. Now you can take a screwdriver and spread that just a little bit. It's usually a flathead screwdriver. You just want to open it up. Just by doing that. See how easy that went? Now you can pull it right off. Set it aside. So we're going to do the exhaust side VVT solenoid, and that's the side of the head that has the exhaust manifold on it. So here it is right here, and I'm going to take the connector off first, give it a good squeeze, and then pull that connector right off. Now you see the whole VVT solenoid, and the mounting bolt is right here. And that's a 10 millimeter, so I'm going to use a 10 millimeter socket, and I'll break it free. Counterclockwise, loosen that right up. Probably get the rest by hand. Go ahead and get that bolt out, set it aside. Now grab that VVT solenoid and twist it. Give it a twist and a pull at the same time. You can use a pry bar or a screwdriver to help you if you need to. I'm going to get a little pry bar back here. There we go. And just slide it right out. You have your air AC lines, so make sure you clear them. So before I install my new VVT solenoid, I got some clean oil, and I'm just going to coat that O-ring all the way around, and now we can slide it right in. Line it up. And to let it make it seat, I'm just going to give it a twist and a push. Line that bolt hole up. So don't forget you have that little harness bracket, so I'm going to put the bolt through that first. And then I can line up that VVT solenoid and then start the bolt by hand. Take my 10 millimeter socket or wrench. I'm just going to snug it, and then I'll get my torque wrench. All right, let's get our torque wrench. Okay, the torque spec is 7 foot-pounds, so 10 millimeter socket, and we're going to tighten that right to specs. Here we go. Now we can attach our connector, line up the tabs, push till you hear it click. Now we're going to put our engine cover back on, and these are the rubber bushings that I was telling you about, and these are the little pins that they guide on. You have 4 of them total. Put the oil filler cap hole over and the dipstick hole over and push down. Slide that over. I like to move it all the way down so you've got a bit of the lead stud sticking up. And this is now a 13 or 1/2 inch because someone changed it to a universal end. Like I said, factory would be a 10 millimeter wrench or socket. Bottom it out. Then I'm going to hold it down here. Probably end up using the open end, and snug it up. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.